Hello, today we got a task. We're gonna stick a repelling hook up there in the ceiling. So it looks like I need to find the light socket, go over to where that floor joist is, and drill a hole right next to it. So let's go do that. For our large 5/8 eye bolt, I got the nuts and washers, and I got two 2x4s up there with a 5/8 hole in them. And we got our drill with a 5/8 drill bit. So now we just gotta go up in the attic and drill the hole. Over there's our two boards. You see the bolt coming up, and two 2x4s in the hole in the center. And it's going down to the hook over there by the light socket. And there's our hook all the way up here in the ceiling, just like that. About 15 feet off the floor. There's our hook up there in the ceiling, and we got a rope hanging down. We got our sender, we got our figure eight, and just like that. That's all you need. Don't swing. Don't step on the rope. So anyway, that's how you install a repelling hook in the ceiling. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't break your neck.